we were able to keep the momentum of the first two quarters and maintain it now also into the third quarter with excellent results more or less across all our businesses. So it's not only P&C reinsurance, where indeed we had another good quarter and also large losses coming in a little bit lower than expected, but also the other segments contributed again very well to the overall result. And if there's a single segment I would have to highlight, then it's even Life Re, so our life reinsurance business, because they were able to deliver 1.1 billion of total technical result after 9 months now, which is above the initial full year guidance. So it took them only 9 months to achieve their targets, which is outstanding in my view.
Which begs to the question, Christoph, is this the sweet spot? Is this the peak? But bearing in mind we've got rates, some people are arguing as high as they're going to go, or thereabouts as well. So hence we cleared the tourists out of the insurance sector as well. You didn't have unfavourable Nat Cat comparisons this time round as well, so that worked in your favour. We've mentioned P&C, you've mentioned life as well. Is this as good as it gets, Christoph?
I wouldn't say so, to be honest. We are still growing profitably. And also, if you look at the large losses, it was a busy quarter. There wasn't that one big loss, maybe like last year, Hurricane Ian. We didn't have one like that this year. But many, and if you followed the news flow over the summer, you could see many events, wildfires here, floods there, thunderstorms. So many events, which led to the fact that our cat losses, they are somewhat below expectation, but not far off. So which shows that risk cover is still highly needed. There's a lot of demand still in all those markets. So therefore, no, we don't think that's the peak. More to the contrary, I think there's plenty of scope for growth for us and to further extend our earnings trajectory into the future, to further grow earnings and obviously also our business turnover, our insurance revenue.
Christoph, can I ask you about these major loss expenditures, though, because you've highlighted those wildfires in Maui, in Hawaii. How are you thinking about the impact of climate change and how you manage this element of the portfolio?
Yeah. Indeed, climate change is probably the topic we all have in the back of our head. And when we talk about all these catastrophe events, the most important topic for us is really that we have our models up to speed to the maximum extent. So we have more than 100 cat models in place for all the various perils throughout the world, and it's of utmost importance for us to include the most recent scientific research into those models to able to price objectively the adequate prices for all these perils. And then they continue to be insurable. I have no doubts about that. It's just about updating the models, asking the clients for the right price, and make sure that the risk is measured according to its real market price. And if you do so, I think the value proposition of our business is pretty clear. We help people to cope with volatility, which is, I think, highly needed in a world where uncertainty is higher than ever before.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.